Topic 5. Finance Organization Design. Finance organization design is the strategic process of structuring the finance function to effectively support corporate strategy, operational excellence, digital transformation, governance, and long-term value creation. It encompasses the organizational structure, operating model, governance mechanisms, technology platforms, talent capabilities, processes, and performance management systems that enable finance to deliver high-quality financial stewardship while serving as a strategic business partner. For modern chief financial officers, CFOs, finance organization design has become a critical leadership responsibility because the finance function is evolving from a transactional support unit into a data-driven, technology-enabled, and strategically integrated enterprise capability. Leading executive CFO programs emphasize that the finance organization must continuously adapt to changing business models, digital technologies, globalization, regulatory complexity, and stakeholder expectations. Traditional finance functions focused primarily on accounting, financial reporting, budgeting, and compliance. Today's leading finance organizations integrate financial planning and analysis, FP&A, enterprise performance management, strategic planning, business partnering, digital analytics, enterprise risk management, treasury, tax, sustainability reporting, and transformation management into a unified operating model that supports executive decision-making and organizational agility. The design of a finance organization begins with strategic alignment. The finance function should be structured to support the organization's overall strategy, industry characteristics, geographic footprint, digital maturity, and business model. A rapidly growing technology company, for example, may prioritize analytics, strategic planning, and investor relations, while a multinational manufacturing company may emphasize global financial controls, supply chain finance, treasury management, and risk governance. Effective organization design ensures that finance capabilities directly support business priorities and competitive advantage. A modern finance organization is typically organized around several core functional areas. These include financial accounting and reporting, management accounting, financial planning and analysis, FP&A, treasury, tax, internal controls, enterprise risk management, investor relations, business partnering, shared services, and digital finance transformation. Clear accountability and well-defined responsibilities improve operational efficiency while enabling specialization in complex financial disciplines. One of the most significant developments in finance organization design is the adoption of the three-pillar operating model. This model consists of centers of excellence, COEs, shared service centers, SSCs, and embedded business finance partners. Centers of excellence provide specialized expertise in areas such as tax, treasury, analytics, ESG reporting, and financial planning. Shared service centers centralize transactional activities including accounts payable, payroll, and financial processing to improve efficiency and standardization. Business finance partners work directly with operational leaders to support strategic planning, investment evaluation, and performance improvement. Together, these components create a scalable and agile finance function capable of balancing operational excellence with strategic leadership. Digital transformation is fundamentally reshaping finance organization design. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, robotic process automation, RPA, cloud-based ERP systems, advanced analytics, blockchain, machine learning, and business intelligence platforms automate routine financial processes while enhancing forecasting, reporting accuracy, and strategic analysis. As automation reduces manual transaction processing, finance professionals increasingly focus on strategic planning, data interpretation, business partnering, and executive decision support. CFOs therefore redesign organizational structures to incorporate digital capabilities and analytical expertise alongside traditional accounting competencies. Talent management is another critical element of finance organization design. Modern finance professionals require a combination of technical accounting knowledge, business acumen, digital literacy, strategic thinking, communication skills, leadership capability, and data analytics expertise. CFOs increasingly invest in continuous learning, cross-functional rotations, digital training, leadership development, and succession planning to build future-ready finance teams capable of supporting enterprise transformation and innovation. Finance organization design also supports enterprise governance and risk management. Clearly defined reporting relationships, segregation of duties, internal controls, approval authorities, and compliance processes strengthen financial integrity and regulatory adherence. Finance leaders establish governance frameworks that integrate financial reporting, cybersecurity oversight, enterprise risk management, internal audit coordination, and ESG reporting to improve transparency and stakeholder confidence. Cross-functional collaboration has become a defining characteristic of modern finance organizations. Finance teams increasingly work alongside operations, marketing, human resources, technology, procurement, and strategy functions to improve business performance and support strategic initiatives.
Embedded finance business partners help operational leaders evaluate investments, optimize resource allocation, improve profitability, and monitor strategic performance using data-driven insights and financial analysis. This collaborative model positions finance as a value-creating partner rather than a transactional service provider. Performance measurement within finance organizations has also evolved significantly. Beyond traditional measures, such as reporting accuracy and closing cycle efficiency, organizations increasingly monitor business partnering effectiveness, forecasting accuracy, digital adoption, automation rates, process efficiency, customer satisfaction, talent development, ESG, reporting quality, and value creation initiatives. Balanced performance management enables finance organizations to continuously improve operational excellence while supporting strategic objectives. Globalization has increased the importance of scalable and standardized finance operating models. Multinational organizations often centralize transactional activities through global business services, while maintaining regional finance leadership to address local regulatory requirements and business needs. Standardized processes, integrated ERP platforms, shared data models, and centralized governance improve efficiency, consistency, and organizational resilience across global operations. The Global Competency Framework identifies leadership, business partnering, planning, performance management, governance, digital skills, enterprise risk management, strategic thinking, and organizational transformation as essential competencies for executive finance professionals. Modern CFOs are expected to design finance organizations that combine financial stewardship with digital innovation, strategic leadership, talent development, and enterprise-wide collaboration to support sustainable value creation and organizational competitiveness. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, finance organization design has become a strategic enabler of enterprise transformation rather than merely an administrative function. Organizations whose CFOs successfully integrate digital technologies, business partnering, governance excellence, advanced analytics, and talent development into an agile finance operating model are better positioned to improve decision-making, strengthen organizational resilience, accelerate innovation, and create sustainable long-term enterprise value.